breaks in the bedrock make excellent traps for gold. And really every one of them has to be examined. And I'm going to dig between this big boulder and this one here, which looks like a natural breaking spot, because what we're going to do, we're going to work our way along this little crack at the bottom here. About a foot deep. And I'm going to try to scrape as much as this is possible. But I'm also going to use a turkey baster and get underneath. I'm going to get as much trowel as I can here. What you want to get is these little cracks all along here. These little cracks are what's holding the gold. Most of this big rocks in here, we just want to get rid of it, so we can get it all the soft gravels underneath. Right now I'm just trying to get rid of the big rocks off the top. And if there's any gold in here, it'll fall through between them. And you have to go right to the very bottom, right to the most bottom part you can get to. And this is nice in here in that it's so, water is so clear, I can actually kind of get it underneath and really suck hard on that little bit of sediment that's in there. If I had a proper sucker, as I'm going to next time, then this would be a superb way of prospecting this particular spot. But it's not that bad. And I panned a couple of pans out of here, and I am getting lead shot, bird shot pellets. And so this is definitely the low point in the drainage. And because of that, just be patient and sucking away. And hopefully we find something. The other thing I can do here too is it's kind of neat is I can kind of pump it up and down. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm almost like blowing all the light stuff off around this rock so that on my final squeeze I can really get it underneath there and suck up a bunch of the sediment that's in the lowest part of this crack. And you know, even with that, I've really got some pretty nice material in there to pan. You can see now that I was really getting under there, and it's pretty clean. I kind of went over with my fingers. See. Not a lot of material in this pan. I know this is a good spot. I've been getting, as I say, lead pellet shot, so I know I'm in the low spot. But there's not a lot of black sand in this river. Just a lot of light colored rocks so far. Just keep working it down, keeping it in the water, of course, and just gently moving around, getting rid of those light little stones off the top. Difficult to do as one-handed, but our best. And let's get a little more. I don't see anything yet. I realize there's a lot of reflections on this, makes it hard to see. But Bear with me. This is real-time stuff. Get rid of those big, nasty pebbles in there. Okay, let's have a look. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Oh boy, that is a great pan. There. Some really nice color. Look at that in the top. Beautiful. I'll tell you that. Great pan. Very excited. Anyway, that's using a turkey baster. Well, I'm going to go back to that hole. Cleaned out that area underneath the rock. Moved a few things out of the way. Took about 10 pans of gravelly material out. That's 5 hours of digging for gold in that little hole there. Some pretty nice little pieces.